So just about a month back on the 19th of June 2020, I shared a video on Facebook about this counter called IFAST, right? I mentioned that a bullish move was spotted live, right, on the 19th of June 2020 and targets were set to the upside. So it was then trading at about $1.24 and there were some upside targets that were drawn by more than about 14% upside to about $1.40. That was our initial target. Hey guys, Joey here, top tier advisor in 𝗀𝐿𝐼 Securities and chief trainer at Trading Impossible, right? So today is the 20th of July, all right? A month has passed, all right? And IFAST is still seeing some signs of strength. In fact, just last week we spotted some bullish actions coming back again after a bit of consolidation, after what we have spotted on 19th of June. All right, so we're going to cover how is IFAST doing right now. I mean, can we still see more upside? Let's take a look at what was spotted just last week. So just last week on the 15th of July, what happened was we started to see a bit of bullishness coming back again. It was consolidating actually below that $1.50 resistance level, right? After breaking up on 19th of June, it hit our target at 140, went up to about $1.50, and that was where I started to see a bit of profit taking, and that was where there was some selling, right? And it started to consolidate from like 135 to $1.50. But look at this right over here. So just last week on the 15th of July, right, we spotted some really good bullish actions coming back again. It kind of broke that 150 level, and there were some upside targets that were drawn, all right, all the way to about $1.70 right over here. Another 12% upside to 170 first, right? And over the next few days, it started to push up right over here, and it touched that 170 level, all right, and sellers started to come back and some profit taking happened again, all right? And it was 161 again on last Friday, and that's where we reiterated our upside targets, same thing to about 170, and of course we kind of revised our target even higher, right? Another 15.98% upside to about $2, right? So we kind of expected it to kind of break that 170 for it to push higher to somewhere about $2. So that was just last week, all right? So today is the 20th of July 2020. So where are we right now for IFAST? Let's take a look. So before I move on, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, alright, give me a like, alright, so that it will help YouTube algorithm to reach out to more people, right? And thank you so much for that. So here is IFAST on the 20th of July 2020, right? So I mentioned that, we started to consolidate after the run-up in June. On 19th of June, we shared a video run-up and it kind of hit a bit of resistance at 150. So that was when it started to consolidate for about 2 to 3 weeks, alright? But, just last week, started to see a bit of bullish actions coming back with a firm break above that $1.50 resistance level, and there's some upside targets that were drawn to about $1.70. But it seems like today on the 20th of July 2020, we are seeing more actions coming back, and buyers are ready to kind of take it above that 170 and towards our next target as we have drawn, and we're going to reiterate this target again at about $2. Let me just draw this upside targets to about $2. So probably another 14.91%, right, to about $2. $2 is where we will probably see some selling coming back again, because that is where we are seeing a psychological resistance level, and that's where people might want to take some profit. Those who have bought at 150 or 140 or 170, they might want to take some profit about $2. So just take note, if you have got in, it's also good to kind of like take some profit here, and more importantly, raise your stop loss upwards so that you protect your profits as it moves higher. Okay, so in terms of the trend, look at this, right? The 20 days moving average line, this green line right over here is still sloping upwards. You can see that prices are still kind of like holding above this upward sloping line. So in the short term, it looks quite bullish still, all right? And in the longer term, look at this, there are still some signs of it sloping upwards in terms of the moving averages. The red line and the blue line, they are kind of like slowly inching upwards, sloping upwards, and that's a good sign for the longer term as well, all right? So I would say that right now, anything above 170 for IFAST, right, we can potentially still expect more upside, but just take note where we might see some selling again. Okay, so if you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button right below. Hit the subscribe button and even the notification, hit the bell so you will not miss out on any videos like this which I share on YouTube. And of course, comment below, let me know what are your thoughts on this counter and perhaps on other counters that you want to be analyzed as well. Joey here, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video.